Hi, Phil here from Music Theatre Academy. In today's video we're going to look at one of the things that all musicians and students think they don't do enough of, and that is practice. Have you ever wondered what the best way to practice is? The thing that you have to remember is that not all styles of music lend themselves to the same way of rehearsing or practicing. Even different instruments need varying approaches to get results. As a disclaimer for this video, we need to remember that everyone learns differently. Visual learning, learning by diagrams, auditory learning, by listening, reading and writing, by writing things down and repeating them again, and then kinesthetic, learning by doing. You really need to find out which style is the best for you. I learn best with auditory and kinesthetic teaching. I've even used to remember phone numbers by the dial tones or the physical pattern on the keypad rather than reading the numbers. This is the same with rehearsal or practice. No one size fits all, but I'm going to try and give you some help, and we're going to start with the piano. The style of music I'm going to use is pop. And while this is a simple piece of music as an example, the same principles apply for all grades of difficulty. In this piece, the key issues are either the change of line, a page turn, or change of register or octave in the right hand of this piece. Instead of practicing the section that causes the problem, many people will just go back to the beginning of the piece and play through it again, only slowing down at the same section which is more difficult to play. Rock school books use backing tracks, which in turn makes the player stay in time. So slowing down at the difficult bits doesn't work when playing to the backing track. Lots of students that I teach, children and adults, get really frustrated when they start to learn with the backing tracks. So this tip is to be done before you get to the backing track stage. You need to get one of these. A metronome, which is either this one, which is a mechanical metronome, and I'll take it back. Or you can get a digital one, which is the kind of metronome that you can find on a phone or an app. Go to the section that you're having difficulty with. You're going to start 2 bars before this section and then finish 2 bars after. Play the right hand at slowed down tempo, then the left hand. You need to do this 3 times. Now, reduce the tempo on the metronome. Play the right hand once, then the left hand once. Then play them together 3 times. Now, increase the tempo to the speed you had in the first place and try this 3 times. Now go and do something else. Why did I say this? Well, it has a lot to do with concentration, determination and thought processing. When you sleep, your brain tries to make sense of the day, hence you dream. Your computer may also do a bit of reorganising during downtime. When you over-practice, and yes, there is such a thing, it gets to the point where there are diminishing returns, and your brain does not have the capacity to remember the new information as well as it did. So, as for something else to do, if you like this video and you would like to know more, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications when we post another video. You done it? Good. Okay, so go back to the piano and the piece and have another go at the original tempo once. Then try it at the tempo the piece should be in. That's the same as the backing track. Play the piece through from the beginning. There should be some improvement. It won't be perfect the first time round, and you may need to repeat this process to get it absolutely right. I will cover other specific instruments in a future video, but the process stays initially the same. Have a go at this yourself and leave a comment down below if you have other ways of practicing. Remember, there are lots of different ways of doing this. You just have to find the right way that suits you. Bye for now.